Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and we're going to be looking at how to create a 3D plot. So alright, let's just go ahead and get into it. So if you're new here, thanks for joining us. This is what we do. We build plot. Sorry, sometimes I have a hard time talking and typing at the same time. So alright, now this one's a little goofy. I'm just going to copy this line because I still mess this one up. So, all right. That's pretty self-explanatory. 3D axes. So, all right. This is how we get started. But like I was saying, this is what we do. We chop up videos, topics. We make micro videos. Figure. And we break this one out. And we build one subject upon another and another and another. So it's a resource. You can go back, you can search it, you can pick up, you can leave it, whatever works for you. So fig.add subplot, then 111. Now, we've seen all this before, but this is literally how simple it is. Projection 3D, and that needs to be in a string. 3D, there we go. Then plt.show. It's literally this simple. Now check this out. I remember the first time, and you may have run across some other variations if you'd looked at this a while ago. But all right, this is where it gets real. All right, so you're going to see really soon why this matters, because if you go too far, it flips for you. I fell in love with this, but this is what I'm talking about. We're going to show, we're going to have we're going to do this in 2D and 3D, and you'll see that it just looks all hodgepodgey until you put this in a 3D model and you look and you're like, oh wow, this thing diagonals here, but when 2D, it just looks like there's no pattern at all. So, all right, just like I said, baby steps, because this can get overwhelming very, very, very quickly, and we avoid that at all cost on this channel. So this is literally how simple and how clean and clear. And we will just grind on this and go as far as it takes us. So as always, guys, please drop any comments, questions, or any video requests below, and I'll get right to it. And as always, guys, thanks for watching. Stay tuned, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys.